Hello, I'm Dr. Crompton, and in this short screencast today we're going to be looking at search. Now, out of all the things, technology and AI and the rest of it, you probably think, I know a good bit about search, I do many searches a day. Well, hopefully this will give you a new insight into search and also help you refine and your students how they search to get the best quality responses and the most accurate responses for what they're looking for. So you probably recognize this is Google search. There are many search engines out there. They use algorithms to look at what you type into the search, what words you type in, and then they come up with a response directly on what you've typed in. Now, what's nice is Google is one of the search engines that uses machine learning, that uses AI to look at mistakes people have made, to look at how people have searched, to use inference to find exactly what you want. So even though you might have done something wrong, it'll yield the search results that you're looking for. Let me give you an example. So I'm going to type in mortgage. I've spelt mortgage incorrectly there. There's a little wavy line telling me underneath, but I've typed that in. I can also see below there on what it's given me that it's actually correcting it already for me. But let me just click on the Google search. So as it shows there, showing results for mortgage spelled correctly. So even though I did it wrong, it's using inference to say, I think what she's really looking for is mortgage with the spelling correctly. So there it gives me the results for mortgage. However, let's go a little bit further. So if I want to search for a river, I'll click off here and I search. It brings up all sorts of things about rivers there. There's the images of many rivers around the world. So it kind of looks and figures out what I want to do with the rivers. Okay, I'm going to click back again. And I'm going to search now for song. Google search. And it comes up with everything to do with song. Song most broadly is a single piece of music and so on. So we all know what a song is. We all know what a river is. However, I'm interested in searching at the moment for a particular character from my favourite TV series, Doctor Who. And for those that are not familiar with Doctor Who, there's just a quick snippet there. Lots of characters here. It's a BBC TV series that's been going for years. So I want to look for a character called River Song. Now, River Song, as we just discussed a minute ago, river means one thing. Song means something else. It means a song. Putting those together, though, in that order, I'm looking for a character. Let's see what Google search comes up with. And there you go. It's come up with pictures of the character and all sorts about the actual character, TARDIS. This is Doctor Who. So what's happened is, the way I've put those together, River Song, Google's gone way beyond typical, just the basic algorithm of bringing back everything to do with a river and everything to do with a song, and it's put those together and thought, oh, if you put in that combination together, you must be talking about the actress. So that's a lot of inference that it's made there to find me what I need. So Google's very clever, and the machine learning has taken it so much further that probably many people have searched before for River Song, but again, it's learned and thought, oh, okay, those two words together, you're looking for this character. Now, we can also do search terms that help Google even further refine and yield the greatest results. So I'm going to tell you a few of those now, and also I'm going to give you a handout after, so it specifies all these, so you don't have to scribble them all down now. But a common one people use is to really focus a search term, you use quotation marks. So I'm going to search for myself. We've all done it many times, I'm sure. My name, Helen Crompton. I'm going to put quotation marks around. And when I click on search with those quotation marks, what it's telling Google is, I want you to search for those two words together and in that order. And if you see Crompton somewhere else, I don't want to include it. It has to say Helen Crompton. So when I click on the search there, it brings up exactly what I'm looking for. So I'm going to click back there. That's a typical search feature, search tip for us to find more specific on what we want. Let me cover a few more. So have you ever been in a situation where you know what you're looking for, but you can't remember the exact words? And it might be a song lyrics, it might be something like that, and you don't know some of the words. So let me show you what you do then. When you have forgotten the word, you use an asterisk in place of that word. So going with the theme of song, I'm going to put the quotation marks, then I'm going to put an asterisk. What I'm looking for is something song. So I'm going to put asterisk for my something, a space, and then song, and then quotation marks closed as well. So I'm looking for something song. When I type in Google search, it brings me up all those something songs. Duck song, fight song, your song, September song, Brenda song, you can see the pattern. So this is a really nice feature that if you can't remember what it was, use an asterisk. Now, other times, maybe you're searching for something, but it's bringing up part of what's connected to that search term, but part of it you don't want to bring up. Let me give you an example. So I'm searching for a new car. I would like to look at Jaguar cars. Okay, Jaguar, and already it's bringing up panther there. I don't want the animal. I want to look at the car. So what I need to do is I've typed in Jaguar, and I need to put a minus sign and then panther. And I'm going to type in Google search. And it only brings up the cars. So it's brought up the cars there, Jaguar. Exactly what I wanted. Just to do the search the other way. Jaguar, and I want to do it minus the car. This time I want to actually look for the panther, the Jaguar. If I type a Google search in then, it brings up facts about jaguars, the animal. So this again has helped refine my search and take out those bits that I don't want. Another quick one is when you're searching, you can often put the focus of what you're looking for, kind of a category, and then a colon. For example, I want to look at how to define the word define, colon, define teaching. Okay, this part here, this prefix, will tell it, I don't want just teaching, I want you to define the word teaching. When I click search, it brings it up. You can do that for other things as well. For example, timeline. Let's go with the theme teaching again. Teaching. So I've put this prefix, timeline, teaching, and let's see what it brings up. Teaching with timelines, classroom timelines. It focuses on what I wanted. There's many different ones like that. You can use research : and it brings up things on research. It's worth testing out all these different things to find out by putting in front what you're actually looking for and seeing whether Google can help find you. Now, the last one I would like to show you is a reverse image search. This is a feature that's great for teachers for the fact that how often do we look through students' work and we'll see an image and it might even look familiar. And you think, where has that student got the image from? Because they've not cited it, they've not used good digital citizenship to show where they've got it from. The way to find out where they have got it from is in Google here. You can see images at the top there. If you click on the images, all you need to do is you click on the camera and you upload the image or literally drag the saved image onto the top of there, and it will show you, it'll give you a list of all the places on the web where that image is from. So it won't just direct it back to a web address, the one place it was from. It'll bring up all the different places where it is on the web. So you can easily look and find out whether it was in the original article or whether the student has got it from the web somewhere and where they've got it from. So hopefully you can see that you may have done many searches before, but these will hopefully really help you refine your search to get the best results and avoid you wasting time looking through many things of what you're not looking for. So happy searching!